Hello East Campus and welcome to the laundry how-to video. There are two different laundry rooms located at East Campus. The first one's at 3001 Antietam Court and the second one is at 2801 Saratoga Court. In order to access the laundry rooms, you will need your student ID card. Once you're at the door, you'll put the ID card right next to the black panel and it'll turn green once the door is unlocked. Please remember your student ID card every time you go to the laundry room. And if you ever have a problem getting into the building, please contact the RE on duty and we will come open the door for you. Once you are in the building, the first step will be to find an empty washer and dryer and fill the machine up with clothing and detergent. Do not overfill those machines. If they get too packed with detergent, the detergent gets stuck in the clothing and do not come out clean. If you are not using the PayRange app, this is when you will insert the coins. You'll need $1.75 per load for either the washer or the dryer. FYI, if you need a bit more assistance figuring out exactly how much detergent to use or a more step-by-step guide to starting the laundry, please see this sign posted in each of the laundry rooms. There's also a few more tips that we'd like to pass along to you to make sure that the laundry is a bit easier. If you're concerned about the clothing shrinking, make sure that you use cold water and do not over dry. Refer to those washing instructions located on the clothing tags for the most information. You can also separate your loads of laundry by colors, materials, or washing instructions. Again, refer to those tags for the proper instructions though. Finally, do not forget to continue practice social distancing and continue to wear those masks in the laundry rooms at all times. To start using the app, if you haven't already done so, download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and set up the credit card information. Don't forget your Bluetooth also needs to be on in order to use the app properly. Using the PayRange app. Step 1, open the PayRange app, and step 2, select the washer and dryer that you put your clothes into. This should also match up with the ones that are available since the app will only list washers and dryers that aren't already in use. Step 3 is to slide the green bar to the right-hand side and to pay for the laundry. The cost is also going to be $1.75 per load for either the washer or the dryer. Step 4, once you pay for it through the app, the machine will light up with green buttons. You'll be able to select the washing and drying preferences you wish to use. Step 5, start the machine using the green start button. The final step of the PayRange app is to check the time remaining. You'll be able to see how much time at the top of the app under the Started by Me section. It'll show you that each washer and dryer that you're currently using and how much time is left. Once you get the PayRange notification that your laundry is done, please make sure to switch the laundry load as soon as possible. Other students may be waiting for those machines to become available. And don't forget, those machines also become unlocked and open once the load is done. East Campus Housing and Greystar are not responsible for any lost or stolen items. If you have any issues with the laundry machines or the facilities, contact the RE on duty for help. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day, East Campus.